In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The participation of senior government officials in the graduation ceremony of more than 3,500 mujahideen in the country. The Deputy Minister of Transport and Civil Aviation stresses neutralizing malicious elements in the neighboring country. And the ending of a 20-year hostility in Herat province. Welcome to today's news package. It's Tuesday, the 11th of Jumada Thani 1447, the 11th of August 1404, and the 2nd of December 2025. The news details. Mulavi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the administrative deputy of the Prime Minister, speaking at the graduation ceremony of more than 3,500 mujahideen, stated that imposed wars and occupation had destroyed all of the country's infrastructure, and that during the 20 years of occupation, no fundamental development had taken place. His Excellency added that with the establishment of the Islamic Emirate, various development projects have been implemented across the country, and necessary steps have been taken to improve the education and health systems. Maulavi Fatullah Mansour, the Deputy Minister of Transport and Civil Aviation, also speaking at the graduation ceremony of over 3,500 mujahideen, stated that malicious elements in the neighboring country who act against the current system must be neutralized. He added that the present Islamic system has come into existence at the cost of the blood of the hundreds of thousands of Afghans, and its protection is an obligation upon all of us. Maulavi Mansour further emphasized that obedience to the leaders is essential, as the aspiration of the martyrs are realized through such obedience. The news continuation. Muhammad Ashraf Hakshanas, the spokesperson for the Minister of Public Benefits, announced that the construction on two major road building projects in Parwan province, valued at more than 983 million Afghans, will soon commence. Based on his statement, the project includes the construction of a 20-kilometer road in Kuhesafi worth 641 million Afghans, and the Bagram Jabal Sarat Junction road in Parwan valued more than 342 million Afghans. Mr. Hakshanas added that the contract for the aforesaid major project have been signed with the road construction companies. And finally, a 20-year hostility between the two tribes in Kushkarabatsangi, the district of Herat province, has come to an end through the mediation of government officials, religious scholars, and tribal leaders. The Ministry of Borders, Ethnicities, and Tribes stated that during this prolonged conflict, 2 people from each side had been killed and several others wounded. Both parties pledged to live peacefully from now on. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.